Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 19b, in which we will take practice of Surah An-Nas, verses 5 and 6. Let's take Tajweed tip number 19. Don't feel shy to recite in a class or in front of others. Otherwise, you may never improve. It is almost a must that you recite in front of your teacher and he approves your recitation. If you have trouble while reciting, don't care about others because you will get double reward as per hadith. So let us start. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. We completed the first part, which is Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharril waswasil khannas. We will continue now. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Alladhi, it is not allazi, huh? Repeat. Alladhi. Alladhi. Alladhi yuwaswisu. Make sure you pronounce wa properly. Wa, make your lips round and then open. Yuwaswisu. Yuwaswisu. Again. Yuwaswisu. Fi sudurin nas. Fi, mad is there. Sudu, mad is there. That also is double stretch, and na is also double stretch. Try to give equal stretch to all. Some people give extra stretch for gunna. That is also okay, but you can give double stretch. That's the standard. So repeat after me, and also don't say sudur. Sa is very thick and high. Su. Alright, repeat. Fi sudurin nas. Fi sudurin nas. Again. Fi sudurin nas. Repeat. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnah. Gunna is there. Wan nas. Gunna and mad are there. So repeat. Minal jinnati wan nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Again. Minal jinnati wan nas. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.